Want fresh veggies but lack garden space? No problem. Container gardening is the answer. You can grow delicious food in pots, right on your patio or balcony. It's easier than you think. Let's get started. Containers come in all sorts of materials. Plastic pots are cheap and lightweight. Terracotta pots look lovely but can dry out quickly. Wooden containers are attractive but may rot over time. Choose what suits your style and budget. Drainage is key for healthy plants. Waterlogged roots lead to root rot, a common problem. To ensure good drainage, add a layer of gravel to the bottom of your containers. This helps water flow freely. Don't use garden soil in your containers, it's too heavy and compacts easily. Instead, use a good quality potting mix. It's light, airy, and full of nutrients for your plants. Most vegetables love sunshine. Aim for at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Water your plants regularly, especially during hot weather. Stick your finger in the soil to check for moisture. If it feels dry, it's time to water. You can start your vegetables from seeds or seedlings. Seeds are cheaper, but require more patience. Seedlings give you a head start, but cost a bit more. Choose what works best for you. Some easy vegetables for beginners include lettuce, spinach, radishes, and bush beans. For vining plants like tomatoes and cucumbers, provide support with stakes or cages. With a little care and attention, you'll be harvesting fresh, homegrown veggies in no time. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more great gardening tips.